Hi, everyone, and welcome to Devotion. In the 139th Psalm, King David of old said, "We are wonderfully made." He was talking about our physical bodies and probably also our mental body, part of our bodies. Uh, and we are programmed to live 120 years. Yet the lifespan of people, the times that people seem to be dying, is around 72. Now, what has happened? What has happened is that as we walk through life, we encounter many stress fields. Some of them are physical, some of them are mental, and our bodies take a hit. Our health takes a hit, and we then find ourselves losing a lot of precious years that we could have had. Now, our Creator has an answer to that. In Jeremiah 30, verse 17, the eternal God, our Creator, speaking through the mouth of Jeremiah, says, "I will restore your health and I will heal your wounds." Did you get that? God says, "I will restore your health and I will heal your wounds." Now, if a man or a woman had said that, a human, we couldn't put much stock in it, but this message, this statement comes from God Himself, and we can count on God. What divine surgery, what love to give us that kind of treatment. I'd like to sing for you now a song used to sing. The church that I serve used to sing at closing every Sunday. Only believe, only believe, all things are possible. Only believe, only believe, only believe, all things are possible. Only believe. Wonderful Lord, for those who have health issues, for those who need a touch from your wonderful hand and your wonderful mouth and heart, I pray that they receive it as they are watching and listening to this devotion today. And I ask that in your holy name. Amen. God bless you. See you next time.